Hello, this is Tasfaya from the Tutorial Academy. Welcome back to this video. This is a continuation of our greetings in Oromo for communication purposes, and technically this is the continuation of our previous video. In the previous video we have seen family members, how we call them, and also we continued asking greetings or some greeting questions in the family setting, and we continue on this video as well. So stay with me and we can see how we greet families and family members as well. So the first question will be, is your father fine? Abbanke nagada. Abbanke nagada. We have seen this statement many times, so it should be clear for you by this time. Naga Fayya can be used interchangeably. I can say Abbanke Nagada or Abbanke Fayyada or Abbanke Fayya or Abbanke Naga or Abbanke Jiru. We can all ask, how is your father? Just the same meaning. All of them have the same meaning. So this is a reply. My father is fine. Abbanko nagada. Abbanko fayyada. Abbanko nagada. We can say either of them. Abbanko naga isati. Abbanko naga isati. The same. We can say Abbanko naga isaniti if we respectfully call our father. Abbanko naga isaniti. Abbanko naga isaniti. Abbanko fayya isaniti. Abbanko fayya isati. Okay. Is your family fine? Maatinke nagada. Mati means family. Maatinke fayyada. Maatinke nagada. Maatinke fayyuma. Maatinke naguma. All possible. Obboleessike fayyada. Obboleessike fayyada. We've seen obboleessa is a brother, but when we go to ask a question, obboleessi. Obboleessike fayyada. Obboleessike nagada. That's how it changes a little bit. Now, if you use a specific name, how is Darartu doing? This is Darartu is the name of a person. Darartun akkami. Darartun akkamida. Darartun akkami. Darartun akkamida. We add n at the end. Tolan akkami. Tolan akkami. For most, we add n at the end to form a question for greetings, but not all names. For example, if the name of a person is Adam, Adam akkami. We don't say Adamin akkami. Adam akkami. If we say Adamin akkami, the question is more of not greeting. It is about another issue. How is he behaving, for example? How is he thinking? Like that. Okay. Tasfayin akkami. That's possible. Okay. Is your mom fine? Hatike nagada. Hatike nagada. You can change this to another. Hatike fayyada. Hatike fayya. Hatike naga. Ayonke nagaya. Harmenke nagaya. You know, mom, mother can be either called hada, arme, or hayo. Hayonke nagaya. Hatike nagaya. All possible. Hati is another version for hada. Hada is mother, and hati is mother as well. Change it a little bit. So for this similar greetings, we can say like this. Harmenke nagaya, I already said. Harmenke nagada. Ayyonke nagada. Harmenko naga ishet. Is a reply. Harmenko naga ishet. Harmenko naga ishet. Galatomi kankeho. Galatomi kankeo. Other similars, Armen, Ayon, Ko, Nagada. You can say like that as well. Armen Ko or Ayon Ko, Nagada. Galatomi kankeo. Galatomi kankeo. So we can form any combination of questions to ask greetings in the family. Okay. We're gonna ask you questions for exercise. Obbolesiko fayyada. Obbolesiko fayyada. My brother is fine. My sister is fine. My father is fine. Which one translates to obbolesiko fayyada? Okay. Write your answer, the letter of your answer in the comment area. And also if you have any questions, ask please. This is the video on greetings, and I will continue with others in the same way. Thank you for being with me. I have to end this video here. Thank you very much. Cheers.